Hello and welcome, it's Chili Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I really think I'm going to go back to doing a flip cup pour because I haven't done one in a long time. Just a plain, I think, yeah, no, it's not been too long, but I think I'm going back to basics and doing a flip cup pour. I might need a bigger cup than that maybe. Or should I actually I might go with that cup and I'll call it a straight pour. Is it a straight pour when you just pour straight out of the container? I think it is. But what I'm going to do first, because I've had this paint sitting round, some of it for a little while, even though I've had it covered up, I'm going to use this as a little bit of a base. This is my I call it my champagne gold. It's a beautiful gold colour, like a champagne gold colour, and I just love it. It's made out of 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. So I'm just putting this on as my base coat to slide the other colours over. Probably got way too much as normal. I won't take it right over the edges just yet because I'm sure when I'm tilting it around that will happen. You do not have to put a base coat for a straight dirty pour. What I'm going to do now, you don't have to do that at all. So we'll see how this one turns out with giving it a coat like that. So what I'm going to do is just put that out the way for a minute. I'm going to load my cup up and the colours. So I'm really going to do sort of really bright, happy, cheerful colours, kind of sunset pour or something similar. So I've got this lovely yellow, really nice bright yellow. Probably need a little bit more in there. Nice bright yellow. I've got orange. I've got all the really nice kind of sunset colours to go in here. So that's my orange. And then I'm going to give it a good squirt of the cool red. It's all pre-made up in these containers with my pouring medium. So a good squirt of the red. So beautiful sunrise colour or sunset colours there. I'm actually going to put in, because I have it, a bit of viridian green here. So I've got that left there, that's beautiful. And then I had some white mixed with viridian green, so I'll pour that in too. So it's just made it a very pale pepperminty colour. Like I said, I wanted to use these up because they've been sitting here all week, and that was the viridian green with a good daub of black in it, so to send it real dark. I'm going to leave those there. I'm going to add, this is white, and I did add some, what did I add to the white? I added metallic silver to my white. So I'll go back to the sunsetty colours, which are the yellow, orange and red. I actually love adding yellow to my orange. It makes the orange really much brighter and pop. And then I'll go back to the red. So I think I've probably got plenty going on there now. So just a little bit of white. Okay, let's bring this back around. This is a really nice, easy pour to do if you're a beginner. Beginner. So I'm going to actually, instead of flipping it, I'm going to just do the straight from the cup. So let me know what it's called. Is it a dirty cup pour or a straight pour or a whatever? I can't keep up with all the names. Okay, those colours are super duper, really beautiful. I can see already. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow. should do it facing you so you can see those lovely colours coming out. That is beautiful. I just hope that I get really lovely results from these colours, and because they were leftover paints from more than a week old, so do one of these little hurricanes through here. It'll just, wow, look at the colours in that cup. They're just beautiful. Rightio, look at that. That is exciting. That's so gorgeous. Oh, just a gentle tilt now. It should just slide over beautifully over that gold that I have there. So obviously the gold will probably not show any further, but that's okay. It's just used as a slippery slide tool for the rest of these gorgeous colours to slide over. Wow, love it, love it, love it. Certainly does look like a hurricane or a tornado coming out. Not that people that suffer tornadoes in whatever country you're living in, it's not a very nice reminder, but if you've been through a tornado, I'm lucky that I definitely haven't been through a tornado here in Australia. Wow, look at the colours. I know that Fiona art, Fiona's lovely Fiona, she's such a lovely lady and does absolutely awesome pours. She did one in not these same colours but similar, and it just turned out beautifully. So pretty sure that you all know who Fiona is. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. Even the sides. Wow, wow, wow. Holy dooly. I do not want to mess with that, believe it or not, except I'm going to give it a little whiz over with my heat wand. Just burst the air bubbles and just going to trace through some of these lines. I suppose I could do it after it's dry, is go through with my acrylic pen some of these lines to highlight them. It's another idea to do, is go through with your acrylic pen after it's dry to really highlight some of those. Those are so beautiful. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at that. That is gorgeous. And for if you're wanting to do a pour that hasn't got many cells, that's a beautiful way of doing it. It's definitely like looking through the eye of the storm, isn't it? Or what would you name it? You tell me a name. I'm going to bring you down now to have a close up. Wow, just look at the detailed striations, the lines, and the glitter, because there was some of the metallics in the paint, so it's created a whole glittery effect. So I did put some gloss pouring medium a little bit into those cups when I was mixing the paint. It was to do a different pour, so I'm going to see how this dries, if it actually dries glossy. But look at it, it's, again, it's telling a whole story there. Really having some unbelievable, well, I don't say visions, but coming out of some pores, you're looking deep into it, and it's really, you know, feel as though that it's really, you know, telling a story all on its own. I know I'm weird, but just feel that. Look at that. Okay, my lovelies, I really hope you enjoyed this and give this one a go. It's a simple basic technique, but with the right colours and the correct consistency of your paints, you will get awesome results. I always find if I'm doing a cup like this to have my paints on the slightly thicker side, especially if you don't want to get cells in it. I just find the thicker you paint, probably less likely to get cells than when I do it with a thinner mix. But super, super happy with that. Awesome, awesome. Okay, my lovelies, until tomorrow, take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline. Do not suffer in silence.